Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your web browsing more secure by enabling the Always Use Secure Connections feature in the Opera browser. This simple setting helps protect your data by ensuring websites load through HTTPS whenever possible. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Opera browser, click on the Opera logo in the top left corner of the window to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're in the settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down or click on the Security section within that page. Here, you'll see an option labeled Always Use Secure Connections. Toggle this option to the On position. When you enable it, an additional option will appear. Warn you for insecure public and private sites. Make sure this is checked as well. This will notify you if you're about to visit a site that doesn't use a secure connection. Now, Opera will automatically try to load websites using HTTPS and warn you when it can't. That's it for today's tutorial. Enabling this feature takes just a minute, but it makes your browsing significantly safer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.